see, everyone are safe at home. Are you staying at home only? Okay, good children. So in the previous video, what I said to you? In the previous video, I started the lesson. What is the lesson name? Our sweet home. What is that? Our sweet home. See, already we started in the previous video. In that video, what I said to you? Why do we need a house? Yes? Why do we need a house? So, why do we need a house? We need a house to live in. And what do the house do? What do the house protect us from? Yes, house will protect us from heat. Even చెప్పానమ్మా before video లో before class లో house మనల్ని heat నుండి heat, cold, rain, okay, next heat, cold, rain, what is the next one, next thing? Yes, animals and things. Animals and trees. These five are the things which is protecting us from. See, house is protecting us from these five things. So, house అనేది మనల్ని heat నుండి, cold నుండి, rain నుండి, animals, some cruel animals, so many animals is there in our surroundings. So, from that, and also the thieves, robbers, you know that. Oh, everything they will steal from us. So, from that, the house is protecting us. Okay, this is the importance of our house. So, then after what I said to you, I said the different parts of the house. So, what is there in the house? So, only one room will be there. In the house, only one room will be there. No, there is so many different rooms are there. Yes, this is a house. So, in this house, what are the different things is there? We will see. Okay. Yes, this is a house. Tell me, what are the different things are there in our house? Okay, children, what are the different things are there? Different parts. So many different parts are there. Is there in the house only one room will be? No, so many rooms will be there in our house. So many rooms is there. So much of parts are there for a house. So already I said in the previous class. In the previous class, I told you that. So I will also see what is this we are calling say. What we are calling this? Yes, very good. This we are calling as chimney. This we are calling as chimney. So what is the waste gas is there in our house? It will be comes out from the chimney. Then what we are calling this one? What we are calling that one? Yes, it is a roof. What is this? It is a roof. Then what we are calling this one? What is that? Yes, it is a door. Yes, yes, door. Then inside of that, what is this one? Floor. F-L-O of floor. What is that? Floor. Then what are these? What are those? Yes, windows. Windows. Okay. Say the some more I said. Say if you are drawn like this means we can say this is a. What is that one? Compound wall. What is it? Compound wall. Then after balcony will be there. If there is a pakka houses will be there, means further balconies also will be there. So like that, so many parts is there in a house. These are the different parts in the house. Is it clear? See, once again I am saying this is a different parts of the house. That is chimney, roof, door, floor, compound wall, windows. So, okay children, is it clear to you? Okay, now today I will say to you that, see, I am saying to you that a house, we are constructing a house. How the house will be constructed? If you want to build a house, okay, if you want to build a house, మనం ఒక హౌస్ కట్టుకోవాలి అనుకుంటున్నాం. దెన్ వాట్ ద థింగ్స్ వీ హ్యావ్ టు నీడ్, ఏం కావాలి, వాట్ ద థింగ్స్ వీ హ్యావ్ టు నీడ్ టు కన్స్ట్రక్ట్ ఏ హౌస్. To construct a house, if you want to construct a big building or a beautiful house if you want to build, then what are the materials we need to construct, to build a house? So I will say to you the materials of the house. Materials of the house. So what we need the materials? So how we can build? First we need a bricks. We need a bricks. We need a bricks to construct a house. See, first one is, what is that? Bricks. Next one is sand. What is the next material? Sand. Sand. Do you like to play with the sand? Do you like? Yes. We will make small houses with that. Yes. Okay. So sand also need to construct a house. Then after cement. C-E-M-E-N-T. Cement. Okay. We need a cement. We need a cement to construct a house. We need a cement to construct a house. Then after iron. What is that? Iron. Iron also very much important to construct a house. It gives the full support to the house. So we need a iron rods. Okay, we need a iron rods to construct a house. Then after wood. What is that? Wood. We need a one wood also, some wood also to construct a house. Okay. Then after this, not only these things, some stones, pebbles, small pebbles, big stones also we need. We need to build a house. These pebbles, then water. So these are the mainly important things to build a house. These are the important. For decorating, we will use so many other things also, like tiles, marbles, okay, some pipes and everything we will use. Okay, see, but if you want to build a house, means these are the main things to construct a house. See, once again children, I am saying that what are the materials we need to build a house? What are the materials, ma? First we need a bricks. Say the spelling everyone. B-R-I-C-K-S. Bricks. See, I will show to you. Okay? Bricks. See, these are the bricks. Like that, the bricks will use and construct a wall. So like that, they will, by using these bricks, they will construct a wall. Okay? See, these are the bricks. See, B-R-I-C-K-S. Bricks. Now, sand. Sand. See, you can, I can show to you the sand. See, this is the sand. Okay, do you like to play with it? Yes, every children will like to play this. Okay, this is the sand. Okay, see, very good. See, say the spelling of sand. S-A-N-D. Sand. Okay, S-A-N-D. Sand. Next one, cement. Cement. C-E-M-E-N-T. Cement. So, see that cement will be like this. Okay, see, this is the cement. See children, this is cement. C-E-M-E-N-T. Cement. Cement also we will use to construct to give a full grip to the bricks. Okay, to full grip to the bricks. This is cement also they will use too. Next one is iron. See, iron, I-R-O-N. Iron. Iron rods, big iron rods they will use and they will cut and they will use to build the first pillars, walls, everything they will use the iron. See, these are the iron rods. Okay, like that they will make to build used to build the house. Okay, next one is wood. What is the next one? Wood. Why the wood will be used to make the doors, windows, everything will be used to construct the house. So doors, windows, next everything we will have to use some furniture, cupboards and use we need the wood. See this wood. Okay, if wood use chesi chaka doors, windows, cupboards ivanni prepare chestaru. Okay children. Okay, see stones and everything. Next one is stones. S-T-O-N-E-S. Stones, water also they will use to mix cement and sand. They will mix further with the water. Okay, so they will use to these things to build a house. Do you understand what are the things they will use to construct a house? Okay, again I am saying what are the materials they will use. First one is bricks. B-R-I-C-K-S. Bricks for making the walls and everything. Next is sand. S-A-N-D. Sand. Next one is cement. C-E-M-E-N-T. Cement. Next one is iron. I-R-O-N. Iron. Next one is wood. W-O-O-D. Wood. What is the next one? Wood. W-O-O-D. Wood. Next one is stones. S-T-O-N-E-S. Stones. Next one, water. W-A-T-E-R. These are the main materials to use the build a house. Okay. Then after that we can use the what is the tiles. Tiles. Next marbles. Some glass. Some glass things. Next to steel things. Steel rods. See, so much say we can use those many things also we can use to construct a house, to make our house as a beautiful house. Mana house ni chala andanga, chaka neat ga, chala beautiful ga, grand ga మనం construct చేసుకోవాలంటే we have to use some other materials also, but for constructing a house these are the main things. Okay, these are all optionals. Okay children. Okay, very good. In the next class I will show materials we completed. So what are the materials we need to build a house? We completed. Now what I am saying, okay, we want to build a house. Okay, we are constructing. So in that house only single room will be there. House ante manaku oka room tone untunda, mana house undi ippudu aa house lo ante oka side kitchen, oka side mummy vanta kitchen lo unte inko side bed atla emana untunda లేదు. So it is to be different rooms is there. అవునా కదా, మనకి ఇంట్లో different rooms ఉంటాయి. So for doing mummy for cooking say separate room will be there. What we are calling that kitchen. Yes, kitchen room. For sleeping, can we sleep in the kitchen room? No, we can go to another room. What we are saying that? We are saying that is a bedroom. For sleeping we use to bedroom. Okay, for eating, can we eat in the kitchen room or in the bedroom? No, we should not eat in the bedroom or in anywhere. So we have to wait for that another room, that is a dining room. So like that, in our house, so many different rooms are there. For bathing, another room that is a bathroom we say. For storing the things and everything, we cannot use another room that is a storeroom. So like that, so many different rooms. మన house లో different rooms అనేవి ఉంటాయి. అవునా కదా? Yes. So do you have the different rooms? Okay, now in it is a small house means we can have only 3 or 4 rooms. If it is a big house means it has so many rooms. Okay, by the construction of the house, by the building or construction of the house, they will design, engineers will design like that. Okay, some people they will live in a small houses. For them 4 rooms, 3 rooms like that will be. In a big house, bungalows, apartments like that is there, more than 4 rooms will be there. Okay, so what are the different rooms? Okay, now rooms and their uses we can see. What are the different rooms and their uses we can see now. Rooms and their uses. Their uses we will see now. First, we will take a room. Everyone likes to stay in which room? Yes, we will take a rest. We will take care of that room very nice. Yes. Okay. First, we can see the bedroom. Bedroom means the room which we can eat. Yes. The room which we can eat, that is called bedroom. No. Yes. Very good. The room which we can sleep. Which we can sleep. Yes, మనం చక్కగా రెస్ట్ తీసుకోవడానికి బాగా టైర్డ్ అయిపోయామనుకోండి, we can take a rest in our bedroom. Night time we can sleep in the bedroom. For taking rest, for taking sleep, going sleep, for everything we will for going to the bedroom. Okay, see this. This is our bedroom. See how nice. Is it colorful? Yes, very colorful. Bed is there, so bed is there, some small cupboard, some small scenery. See what we will do, we will keep our bedroom very neatly and beautifully. కదా మన బెడ్రూమ్ ఎప్పుడు కూడా చాలా బ్యూటిఫుల్గా మనం పడుకోగానే మంచి మంచి కలర్ రావాలి కదా. సో we will make that our bedroom very కలర్ఫుల్గా నీట్గా బ్యూటిఫుల్గా పెట్టుకుందాం. This is our bedroom. So we can do here, can we eat in this bedroom? No. Yes, can we do? No, we can't do. Can we cook here? No, this is bedroom means we have to use for sleeping or taking rest. We have to use only for sleeping or taking rest. We have to use only our bedroom. Next we can use that. Yes, prayer room. See what is that next one? Yes, prayer room or puja room. Puja room. Yes, puja room. See, some people they have in our own houses, some people they don't have. For what we are doing in this puja room, what we do? What we do? Yeah, we will pray to God. Pray to God. What we will do here in this puja room? ఏం చేస్తామా పూజ రూమ్లో వెళ్ళి ఆడుకుంటామా, చక్కగా కూర్చొని ఆడుకుంటామా? నో, we will do pray to God. దేవుణ్ణి మనం ప్రార్థిస్తాము. సో we will construct for that room separately we can do. Next one, kitchen room. What is the next one? Kitchen room. See what is that kitchen room? What we will do in the kitchen? What we will do in the kitchen? Yes, mummy, our mother will cook for us. Cook for us. Maniki morning is the breakfast. See kitchen room. What we will do in the kitchen room? We will cook for us. Mummy will cook for us. So morning we want to drink milk, breakfast, lunch and everything, dinner, snacks, where she will do. Is she will do in the prayer room or in the bedroom or in another room? No. So for mainly every house will have a kitchen room. Compulsorily they need a kitchen room. So why? Because we have to cook and everything. So we do in the kitchen room. What is that room? Where we will cook for us. మనం ఎక్కడైతే వంట చేసుకుంటామో ఆ రూమ్ ఏమంటామా? కిచెన్ రూమ్ అంటాం. ఓకేనా? See, in the kitchen room, mommy will cook for us. Okay? See, these are the rooms. See, what I said today, I said different types of materials. What are the materials we can use? So, materials చెప్పాను కదండి. Yes, materials చెప్పాను. ఏంట materials? First one, CEMENT, cement. BRICS, bricks. SAND, sand. Okay. IRON, iron. Next, stones. And then after water. And so more tiles, granites and everything we will use. So we learned in this. Then after we learned here the different types of rooms. Bedroom for sleeping, puja room to pray God, and kitchen room cook for us. These are the today's videos we learned here. So in the next video, I will say you the remaining rooms. Not only 3 rooms, so many other rooms are there. I will say in the next video. Thank you.